Hey everybody, Al here. So I got the boat and I'm gonna put her in the water again. It's a little overcast today. I'm at the McClure Ferry. This is where I put in. It's really busy here today. But I'm gonna head downriver and see how she makes out downriver. I did see a bunch of whitewater down that way, so we'll see how she does. Anyways, boat's looking good. I put in right beside the ferry there, so without further ado, I'm gonna get going here and put her in. Really windy today too. Overcast. It's about 28 degrees Celsius, and it's actually pretty warm. So here we go. Okay, everyone, I got the boat in the water. I'm just gonna start it right here. Just gonna pump the ball. I don't know, I don't really feel anything. Let's see here. There you go. She is running. And always look for water coming out of the back, make sure that it's cooling properly. So it looks like we are good to go. So I'm gonna untie there, and we're heading down river. I'll show you as we go. Okay, here's a little spot I came into. It's really shallow up there. I did hit bottom, but okay, it's raining. I gotta put on a coat or something. That was kind of fun in there. That was really shallow. Inches, of course. Okay. I gotta get a shirt on. Yeah, kind of cool. I just got a tank top on, and there's a big raindrops, as you can see on the seat. Hopefully it doesn't last, but if it does, oh well. It's warm. It's about 28 degrees Celsius, like I said. So I did bring long pants too, just in case. Not rain pants, I'll get soaked, but at least my leg will be somewhat warm. Okay, I'm gonna get a shirt. Okay, everybody, it's raining like crazy, and the wind did a complete 180. Now, going upstream, I'm going to the wind, and it is really raining hard. It actually hurts me. But here we go. I'm gonna have to go with it. I'm gonna be so wet. be all over the place in this light on the boat. I don't know where the rain came from. Kind of glad I wear glasses right now. do that. I do not want to do that. That wind was so strong it blew me right into here. Wow, look at the wind, man. I'm not that far from the ferry. I can't get out of here. I'm kind of stuck right now. I'm gonna have to get myself out. This wind dies down and I can get out of here. Okay, everybody, I just made it back, and holy cow. I didn't think I was gonna make it back. I honestly didn't. I almost flipped this. The wind almost blew me right over back like 3 times. There's no way I could have got that on video unless I had something to hold the camera, because I needed both hands. My neck is sore because I was hanging on so tight. Like, holy cow, where did that wind come from? When I started, the wind was going this way, going up. Now it's going, just a huge wind came and it switched like crazy. So that's gonna end my jet boat ride for the day. So I gotta get my keys and get this boat out of the water. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. It was a crazy day on the river today. Holy cow, I didn't think this river could get that that bad, but it was the wind that was killing me. It kept wanting to throw the boat up. I was actually stuck that one time, but the rain's coming again, so I'm gonna get this boat loaded. So please like, subscribe, hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of the future content. Thanks, everybody, and take care. Okay, just one more quick thing. This is the wind I'm talking about. It's back again. It had quit just for me to come out off that channel over there and get up here. Like, I'm telling you, this wind is crazy. So like I say, everybody, thanks for watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it. I gotta get this boat out of the water before this rain comes again. I'm at my vehicle, so just wanted to show you what the wind was like. Okay, see you, everybody. Bye.